Show Auntie Annie how you throw it. Throw the big ball. Look at you standing up, big girl. Yeah. Look at you standing up. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Hour long video of Rocky playing with balls.
I think I got her
Hi, sweetheart.
pulling up. Yeah, that's Daddy.
That's how she walked yesterday. She stood up and pushed that around like it was a little wagon.
Throw the ball. Play ball. Play ball.
Yes, dear.
Get it.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. What's my name? Hey, Roxy, what's my name? You haven't called it in seconds. Yeah.
That's it, Daddy. Yay, you got the ball. Yay. Woo, big girl. Whoop. Jump up. That's a girl. See? This floor is nice. Careful, careful. Woo, careful, careful. Try again. Try again, you can do it. Try again. That one leg's in the way. There you go. Yay, big girl. Yay. Boink. Do it again. Yay, Roxy, big girl. Yay. Balance, balance. That's a girl. Boing. Good job. Good job, Rox. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yay, she gets up. You got up. Good job. Look at them legs working. Here, Auntie Annie, give it to you. There you go. Yeah! There it is. You did it. She kept trying to put the little ball in the container. She did it while she was standing. This one gotta go. Sorry, this one's gotta go. Yeah. So is this one. Oh, it's not too bad. Ooh. Boink. Hey, well, I have to go potty.
Sure, if you turn off the video camera, please.
I did.
How's my booby girl?
Daddy!
Yes, dear. It's a ball.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Get the ball. There you go. You like that one, don't you? You've always liked that one.